In a world where technology evolves at an unprecedented pace, one company stands at the forefront of the robotics revolution. Welcome to the journey of Figure AI, a startup that has emerged from the shadows and is now reshaping the future of robotics with its innovative humanoid robots called Figure 01 and Figure 02. First, let us enlighten you with the organization called Figure AI's pure and progressive journey, and later we'll cover up its incredible models known as Figure 01 and Figure 02. Initially, Figure AI was founded in 2022 and is based in Sunnyvale, California, USA. Figure AI began its journey with a bold vision that was working on a general purpose, including the creation of humanoid robots that can perform complex tasks in various industries, from bulk manufacturing activities to household chores. Let's come up with the birth of Figure AI. A profile shot of Figure AI announced by the founder and CEO of Figure, Brett Adcock. Brett Adcock, the visionary founder and CEO of Figure AI, has always had a knack for entrepreneurship. With a strong background in building successful ventures, Brett set his sights on an ambitious goal: to develop humanoid robots that can revolutionize the workforce and daily lives. An old clip of Brett Adcock speaking at a tech conference. Brett Adcock: "When I founded Figure AI, I knew we were embarking on a journey that would push the boundaries of what's possible in robotics. Our mission was clear: to create robots that can not only assist in dangerous and undesirable jobs, but are always present in improving the quality of life for everyone." Brett Adcock wasn't alone in this mission. He was working with his team of professionals. He assembled a team of industry veterans that included CTO Jerry Pratt from the Institute for Human and Machine Cognition, IHMC, and top talents from renowned companies like Apple, Boston Dynamics, and Tesla. A team photo of the Figure AI engineers and designers at work. With such a powerhouse team, Figure AI quickly moved forward with the exiting stealth mode in January 2023 and setting the stage for what would be one of the fastest and most impressive developments in the history of humanoid robotics: the releasing of Figure 01. A dramatic unveiling of Figure 01, the first model from Brett Adcock and his team. In March 2023, Figure AI introduced the world to its first humanoid robotic model called Figure 01. This robot wasn't just a prototype. It was a testament to the hard work and dedication of the Figure AI team. Within less than a year, the team had achieved something remarkable: dynamic bipedal walking. Plus, it is a feat that takes most robotics companies several years to accomplish. The moving totes of Figure 01, walking in a warehouse environment. As all know, Figure 01 was designed primarily for logistics applications, where it was built to handle tasks such as tote moving in warehouses and other chores. Its design and capabilities demonstrated the immense potential of humanoid robots in solving real-world problems, especially in areas experiencing severe labor shortages. A clip from the Robot Report in October 2023. By October 2023, the Robot Report observed Figure AI's meticulous prototyping and sophisticated development processes. The company has made significant strides in untethered walking, manipulation tasks, and real-world demonstrations, setting a new benchmark in the robotics industry. The evolution, Figure 02. The inauguration of Figure 02, August 2024. Figure AI didn't stop only on Figure 01. On August 6, 2024, the company has unveiled its next-generation humanoid robotic model called Figure 02. This wasn't just an upgrade in its first model, but also was a leap forward in every sense. Figure 02 was designed to take on an even broader range of tasks, from commercial applications to household chores. Figure 02 demonstrates its capabilities: walking, lifting objects, and interacting with humans and more. Standing at 5.6 feet tall and weighing 154 pounds, Figure 02 is powered by a custom 2.25 kilowatt-hour battery that is capable of giving it over 5 hours of runtime service. It can walk at speeds of up to 2.6 miles per hour and lift objects weighing up to 44 pounds, that was making it incredibly versatile. Close-up shots of Figure 02's hands and sensors. Figure 02 features new hands with 16 degrees of freedom that provide human-equivalent strength and enhanced dexterity. These hands are combined with sensors that offer 3 times the computation and inference capabilities of its predecessor, which make Figure 02 a beyond-belief machine. a demonstration of Figure 02's vision language model and speech capabilities. This whole game was not just about the physical strength of Figure 02. Instead, Figure 02's AI capabilities have been significantly upgraded with an onboard vision language model, VLM, that enables rapid common-sense visual reasoning. It can also generate speech in response to commands, thanks to AI models developed in collaboration with OpenAI. A clip of Figure 02 working in BMW's Spartanburg production line. In collaboration with BMW, Figure 02 was tested at the Spartanburg production line, where it has demonstrated its ability to handle car parts with precision that fit them into the correct slots. This real-world testing was crucial in gathering data to improve the robot's AI and use case training. The technology behind Figure 02. A behind-the-scenes look at the development process. The development of Figure 02 was a technological marvel. The robot is powered by Nvidia Omniverse and Nvidia GPUs that enable fully autonomous tasks. The inclusion of a second Nvidia RTX GPU module offers 3 times the inference gains compared to the first version, which allows Figure 02 to perform the complex AI workloads autonomously. A demonstration of Nvidia Isaac Sim and synthetic data generation. Nvidia Isaac Sim was instrumental in accelerating the development process. It provided a platform for AI training and synthetic data generation that enabled Figure AI to fine-tune the robot's capabilities rapidly. With Nvidia's cutting-edge tools and technologies, Figure AI got access to the latest innovation too early. As a result, Figure AI, a part of Nvidia's humanoid robot developer and inception programs, was getting success. A shot of Figure 02's internal wiring and battery setup. The internal wiring of Figure 02 has been completely overhauled for higher reliability, and the integrated cabling setup offers tighter packaging. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that Figure 02 can operate seamlessly in various environments. A vision for the future. The forthcoming innovation of Figure AI by Brett Adcock. Brett Adcock once said that, "Our goal has always been to deploy autonomous humanoid workers that can enhance the productivity and efficiency of the business regardless of their niche, also not in just industries, but also in everyday life. We're working to create robots that can improve the quality of life for humans and make them indispensable companions in both commercial and consumer settings." Figure AI envisions a future where their humanoid robots, Figure 01 and Figure 02, would become integral parts of the workforce and households. With the advancements made in these robots, the company sees 3 major opportunities: physical labor, consumer household tasks, and even off-world applications. A concept animation of Figure 02 in different environments: construction sites, homes, and space stations. Imagine a world where humanoid robots handle the most physically demanding tasks, such as assisting in household chores and even contributing to space exploration. This is the vision that Figure AI is working towards, a future where robots and humans work side by side to create a better world. Partnerships and collaborations. All are here. Let's look at the collaboration of OpenAI, Nvidia, Microsoft, and Jeff Bezos's private fund. To achieve this ambitious vision, Figure AI has partnered with some of the biggest names in technology, including OpenAI, Nvidia, Microsoft, and Jeff Bezos's private fund, that all have invested in Figure AI to bring their expertise and resources to the table. A clip from Figure AI and OpenAI collaborative working.
Hey Figure 1, what do you see right now?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Sure thing.
Great. Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
Great. So, based on the scene right now, where do you think the dishes in front of you go next?
The The dishes on the table, like that plate and cup, are likely to go into the drying rack next.
Great, can you put them there?
Of course.
All right, so how do you think you did?
I think I did pretty well. The apple found its new owner, the trash is gone, and the tableware is right where it belongs.
I agree. Thanks, Figure One.
You're welcome. If there's anything else you need help with, just let me know.
In collaboration with OpenAI, Figure AI developed custom AI models trained on Nvidia H100 GPUs for conversational AI. These models are what power the advanced speech and vision capabilities of Figure 02 that allow it to interact with humans in a natural and intuitive manner. The signing of the deal between BMW and Figure 02. The partnership with BMW has also been instrumental in the development of Figure 02. By testing the robot in real-world manufacturing environments, Figure AI was able to gather invaluable data that has significantly improved. This is how Figure AI has initiated its journey and emerged in the market of innovation. The big thing is that Figure AI has not stopped here. It's consistently growing and will continue to launch its next innovation in the near future.